You know the words. 5, 4, 3, 2.
1, 2, 3 to the 4. Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at no door. Ready to make an entrance, so back on up. Cause you know we're about to rip shit up. Give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble. Compton and Long Beach together, nigga, you know you in trouble. But ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Too low down, niggas so we crazy. Death Row is the label that pays me. Unfadable, so please don't try to play this. Run up back till the lecture at hand. Perfection is perfection.
In the street with the still to make you feel like you're chillin' in the heat. So don't try to run up on my ear talking all that raspy shit. Tryna ask me shit. When my niggas figure this, they ain't gon' pass me shit. You should think about it. Take a second. Matter of fact, you should take 4 read and get the fucking real skateboard dude.
When your dimp's in the crib, man, drop it like it's hot. chillin' in the smoking section. Bird's eye, I got the clear view. Shit, you can't see me, but I can see you. Trent, it's food check, the food is set. Your pussy is wet, you're rubbing your back, you're touching your neck. Your body is moving, you're humping and jumping, your titties is stomping, you're smiling and grinning and looking at it like it. Cause I'm loving the way you shake your ass. And you got me checking my glass. Cause I see you winding, winding. I wanna fuck you. You already know.